So you want to start your very own business? You want to go home at the end of every day and be proud of what you've created and make $1,000+ per day? You want to become the artist in painting your own painting that builds the future that you desire? Welcome to the Driveway Seal Coating Kickstart course, where Greg Francis and Judd Burdon, with collectively over 30 years of experience, teach you everything about starting your very own driveway seal coating business. Seal coating is a process where seal coat's applied to protect the surface from the elements as well as traffic. It keeps pavement assets safe, long-lasting, and looking great. If you're looking to start your very own business and be proud of what you've created and build legacy and fill your pockets with money, comment down below with "I want in," and we'll give you the information you need to unfold the future that you desire. This isn't rocket science. You can do it. Let's see you in the comments below, and welcome to the Driveway Seal Coating Kickstart course.